we are going to be replacing this very standard, unstylish switch here, and it's really easy. It's a really easy upgrade. I say that, but this may be difficult. You have two wires. One wire, two wires. Simple switch here. It's going to be fairly easy, fairly straightforward. There's two wires here. Basically, you have power in and power out. All this switch does is open a circuit or break the circuit. So you open the switch, light goes off. Open circuit. You close the switch, you close the circuit. Electricity can flow in one way, out the other, to the light bulb, back to the batteries. Back to the batteries. Check out this switch upgrade that we're going to put in. It's essentially the very same switch that we have in here, but it's got this fancy little cover. The holes, the mounting holes, are identical to this one. These mounting holes are identical to that one. Look at that. It's going to be a very easy upgrade. Yep, identical. Now we're going to do this with the power on. If you are not comfortable with electricity, you would want to shut the main DC current off, the main battery power off. See? Open circuit. Now it's going to be a little dark, but there's two contacts there. Now once that's on there, and you want to make sure that it's secure, because when you're going down the road, you don't want it to vibrate and then fall off of there. That would be no good. I'm going to use the same screws that were in the old switch. Oh. Pretty simple install here. The mounting holes are the same. I'm going to use the same fasteners that we took out of the old switch. And then this simply clicks into place. Uh-oh. What an upgrade. What an upgrade.